Blynk Mobile App Development Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'm reviewing the Blynk Mobile App Development Platform, giving you a detailed look at its features, usability, and who it's designed for. If you're interested, you can find the links to the product in the description below. Blynk is a powerful and user-friendly platform for creating mobile apps for IoT, Internet of Things projects, and it's tailored for both beginners and professionals. Whether you're a hobbyist building your first project or an experienced developer working on a complex system, Blynk has tools that can meet your needs. It provides a no-code or low-code environment, which makes it incredibly accessible to those without extensive programming experience. But it also offers advanced features for those who want to dive deeper into customizations. One of Blynk's standout features is its drag-and-drop interface for building app layouts, which means you can design an app in minutes without writing a single line of code. The platform supports a wide range of devices and sensors, making it perfect for projects like home automation, remote monitoring, and sensor data collection. Integration with popular microcontrollers like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and ESP8266 is seamless, and the platform offers over-the-air OTA updates so you can manage your devices remotely with ease. Another impressive feature is the Blynk Cloud, which allows real-time data visualization and monitoring. You can create dashboards, graphs, and control widgets to manage your devices effortlessly from your phone. Plus, Blynk provides APIs for deeper integration, giving developers the flexibility to expand on the platform's capabilities. In terms of pricing, Blynk offers a free version with basic features and several premium plans for those who need more advanced options like additional devices, data storage, or team collaboration. Overall, Blynk is an excellent choice for anyone looking to build mobile apps for IoT projects, offering a mix of simplicity, flexibility, and scalability. Whether you're just starting or building large-scale projects, Blynk has you covered. Check out the links in the description to get started.